Welcome to Tech Help Guy, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to cancel a subscription on Shopify. So the first thing you want to do is to log into your Shopify store. Once it loads up, as you can see the interface over here, what you want to do is to scroll down to the bottom left corner and click on settings. Once you do that, it's going to take you over to this page right here where you can see some extra features and options. When you want to go over to billing and click on that. If you scroll down, you're going to see your subscriptions. Maybe you're subscribed to certain apps. If you click on view all subscriptions, you're going to see all of the apps that you are subscribed to, and over here you can decide to cancel or deactivate any of such subscriptions. On the other hand, you might want to deactivate your Shopify subscription, so you want to go ahead and click on plan. So you can see the plan that I have right now at the moment. On the lower right corner you can see deactivate store. I'm just going to go ahead and click on that. So you're going to have some options over here. You just want to read carefully, and you're going to be asked what is the reason why you want to deactivate the store. I'm just going to click on not having enough money at the moment, and you click continue, and that's it. Simple as that. Make sure to hit that like button if you like this video, and consider subscribing to our channel for further updates on everything tech.